Yesterday I got hurt and my mother put some antiseptic serum on it and it feels something different. And the moment after 1 to 1.5 hour I have to go out for the party. I sprinkle some perfume on me and it smells so beautiful. At night when I was sleeping, mosquito bite me and it feels hot and it feels irritating. And I used odomas for it and it helped me a lot. So what is this chemistry doing around us? Is there any role of chemistry? Is there any role of chemicals in it? So let's start and let's begin with it. First of all, we are going to get what are mixtures because everything around us mostly are composed of mixture. There are generally two types of mixture which is homogeneous and heterogeneous. For homogeneous mixture, it is said that it is having uniform composition. So I have taken some water and some salt. I'm putting some salt in it and stirring it. And it shows uniform composition. It have no particles that we could see or we could define that these are the particles and this is the water. So we can consider it as a homogeneous mixture.